Good morning. Even as the storms are continuing this morning, we're of course assessing the damage from last night and overnight. And here's one of the locations where we saw quite a bit of damage. A grain bin, of course, here that's been destroyed and is sitting on top of that semi in the Donaldson area. Scott sent this photo to us of some significant wind damage in the Donaldson area. And another perspective from Scott showing some more damage here to a grain bin in the middle of the field. One other thing to point out is all of this standing water as well in that field too. We got some really heavy rain in northwestern parts of Minnesota, and for that reason we have these flood advisories in effect because of all that rain up in the Roseau County area, back over into places like Trail County, northern Cass, and there are more places where we're still dealing with some heavy rain that could cause some problems for us this morning. Here's a look at our latest radar right now. You could see the focus is definitely in the east. Out to the west, it's a little bit quieter. There's a front that's been slowly moving through, and that's been the focus for that storm development last night and continuing today with the heavier rain, the stronger storms more to the east. Right now, the strongest storms just now exiting our viewing area east of Hubbard County. Bemidji getting a good rain right now. And as we zoom in a little bit more and turn on our lightning data, you can still see we've got some thunderstorms impacting us in eastern parts of Marshall County here this morning. And this particular cell has been a little stronger from time to time, moving to the northeast. And just checking on this track here, we're looking at it moving to the northeast at about 30 miles per hour. So War Road, some of those same places that got hit by heavy rain yesterday, about to see another round of a good downpour. Some small hail estimated in this one, less than a ½ inch in diameter. And then to the south, we're looking at more areas of downpours, more lightning in and around Park Rapids here. Hard to make out the town name with all the lightning in place, but that region and Lakes Country still dealing with those storms. None are severe, but we're looking at some gusty winds, those heavy rains, lightning, maybe some small hail in some of these cells. The wind won't be as strong today. We're going to work on scaling that back here, but we still have some breezy conditions. A gust to 28 in Thief River Falls, starting to see that wind shift direction behind that front too. Temperatures in the 60s to some low 70s at 72 in Fargo and in Grand Forks. So here's a look at that hour by hour planner. Overall, we're going to see some unsettled weather stick around today, and that's of course especially the case in our eastern viewing area along the boundary. That's going to work eastward. We get kind of a break, though we can't rule out another shower or two as we head into the afternoon hours. This is noon, but notice what happens as we head into the afternoon. We're starting to really clear out west over to the east. We may see another round of storms pop up. The question is where will the front be, because that's where it will happen. And so if that's farther east outside of our viewing area, then we luck out. We don't have to deal with the severe weather, but there might be a small window in places like Bemidji, Park Rapids, that we see another resurgence of severe weather. Temperatures much cooler today, back in the 70s to about 80 degrees. And then overnight tonight, we're quieting things down. We're clearing things out as we head into tomorrow morning. So big improvements. So still have a chance for some thunder showers today, but that main area of severe weather does shift eastward, and we're quieting down as we head toward the weekend. As far as wind is concerned, still a bit unsettled though.
All right, a lot to watch out for. Thank you, Lisa.